Okay, so let's have a look at the viii adjustment for Mike MaMahon 2014 paper. It says goods withdrawn by the owner for private use during the year. So if goods withdrawn by the owner, or you see private use, that's going to be drawings with a retail value of 3,000. So it's telling us that this guy is taking goods from a business and for own personal use. So drawings account are going to increase, and be careful, this is going to decrease our purchases. So some students will use close this up, but it's actually our purchases because we're not going to be able to get the value of those purchases back. So this 3,000, which is cost plus, so remember that's the value that we're going to sell them on. So we need to find out what is 100%. So anytime you see cost is always 100% to us. So we need to reduce them by the cost that we bought. Just the purchases, decrease the purchase with a figure as you can't sell them to get the money back. That's going to go into your profit and loss in your trading account for new purchase figure. And just the drawings figure, increase the drawings figure as more items, drawings have been taken from the business. That's drawings then is going to go into your balance sheet in your finance part. So this figure we have in the question, so it's 125%, and it's going to be equal to 3,000. So we're going to find 1%. So 3,000 divided by 125, it's 24. So 100% then, that's how much the cost of the goods were. It's going to be 24 multiplied by 100. So 24 multiplied by 100 then is going to give us 2,400. So we're going to decrease our purchases by 2,400 and increase our drawings by 2,400. So we know we've got purchases already up here. So the amount that we have is going to be 505,650. We're going to take away our drawings, which was 2,500, I think. 2,400. So that's going to give us our new purchase figure. And that's going to go into your profit and loss account in your trading account. And then you need to increase our drawings then with 2,400. So we have an adjustment for drawings already. So you go find our drawings. So drawings is here. So 4,025. Add the purchases, which is 2,400. And that's going to give us a new figure then. That's going to go into our balance sheet as a finance buy. Okay, so quite a simple adjustment. Adjust your drawings by the cost. Just make sure it's always the cost that you're changing them by, and adjust your purchases by the cost as well. So your purchase is going to go down and your drawings are going to go up.